Welcome each and every GATE aspirants on our channel, that is GateJet. In this session, we are going to discuss about linear algebra marathon session for GATE 2026 aspirants. So इस सेशन में हम लोग लीनियर अलजेब्रा के डिफरेंट PYQs एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर बात करेंगे. I think my audio and video is clear. If everything is fine, you can comment down. Audio and video is clear. So I welcome all in this session of linear algebra marathon session for GATE 2026. Linear algebra is one of the most important topic of engineering mathematics. If you are preparing for GATE 2026 or GATE 2027, Kaushin Ansari. Hello sir. Hello Kaushin. Welcome back. So can we start the session? If audio and video is clear, can we start the session? So we will first go by first question, and then after we will raise the level. We will start with the basic questions and then we will increase the level of the questions. Okay. So Kaushin Ansari, yes sir. Okay. Great. Reena Prasad is telling yes sir. Okay. So we start the session. Okay. We are starting the session. So this is the first question. This question was already asked in GATE 2022 mechanical engineering paper for 2 marks. The question says that the sum and the product of eigenvalues, of a 2 cross 2 real matrix are 4 and -1 respectively, then mod of P is what? Integers में आंसर आपको बताना है, right? So what you can do, you can attempt the question first by yourself, then after we will discuss about the whole properties, solution, each and every aspect of the question, right? So 7 people are live and only 3 likes are there. I request each and everyone like the session, subscribe to the channel, and also solve the question and comment down आंसर वॉट एवर यू आर गेटिंग. नो इशू. अगर गलती भी हो रही है कोई बात नहीं है. प्रैक्टिस सेशन में अगर आप गलती कर रहे हैं इट्स वेरी गुड, बिकॉज आप जब एक्चुअल गेट पेपर देंगे वहां पर आपको गलतियां नहीं करनी है, राइट? सो ये क्वेश्चन मैं आपको जस्ट इलेबोरेट कर रहा हूं. दिस क्वेश्चन अबाउट द सम एंड द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज ऑफ अ 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स. एक 2 क्रॉस 2 का मैट्रिक्स गिवन है, उसका सम ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज 4 and product of eigenvalues is -1. हमसे पूछा गया then mod of P equal to what, right? So इस क्वेश्चन को कैसे करना है? Let me give you a hint. What you can do, you can use the properties of eigenvalues. Properties of eigenvalues आप यूज करेंगे and then use the given data to find out the answer. अभी तक किसी का करेक्ट आंसर नहीं आया. So I want each and every student to solve this question and comment down whatever you are getting as answer. No issue if it is wrong, no issue, because this is a practice session and you are here to learn something. We will discuss the solution in exhaustive manner, don't worry. Tilak Raj is telling it equal to 4 and diagonal equal to -1. Tilak, you have to give the answer of this mod of P. Mod of P की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है वो आप बताइए, right? And Anand is telling the answer is 1. No, the answer is not 1. The answer is not 1. You solve first by using the properties of eigenvalues. Let me give you a hint. Sum of eigenvalues क्या होता है? लैम्डा 1 प्लस लैम्डा 2 इक्वल टू 4 ऑलरेडी गिवन है. सम ऑफ eigenvalues 4 गिवन है एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ eigenvalues क्या गिवन है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ eigenvalues that is lambda 1 into lambda 2 is given as -1, right? ये दोनों प्रॉपर्टीज को आप यूज करिए एंड फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट आंसर. अंकुश इज टेलिंग वी कैन यूज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन. अंकुश, यू कैन यूज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन बट काफी लेंदी हो जाएगा, उतना टाइम नहीं रहेगा हमारे पास गेट में, राइट? सो I would suggest go by this method of Tilak is telling 4 is answer. No, Tilak, 4 is not the correct answer. Tilak, you are not correct. Please check your answer. 4 is not the correct answer. 10 people are live and only 7 likes there. So I request each and every student to like the session, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, right? So let me discuss this question. In this question, the sum and the product of eigenvalues of this matrix 2 cross 2 is given as 4 and -1. Sum is what? 4 and product of eigenvalues is what? -1. अभी आप मुझे बताइए, सम हमारे पास में eigenvalues का किसके बराबर होता है? सम जो होता है वो हमारे पास में eigenvalues का वो ट्रेस के बराबर होता है. सो ट्रेस इज व्हाट? ट्रेस इज नथिंग बट 3 प्लस क्यू. सो यहां से हमारे पास में क्या आ जाएगा? क्यू इक्वल टू व्हाट? 4 माइनस 3 विच इज 1, राइट? प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज हम यूज कर रहे हैं. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज क्या होती है? सम ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज इक्वल्स टू द ट्रेस ऑफ द डिटरमिनेंट. जो भी हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स है, सॉरी, जो भी हमारे पास मैट्रिक्स है उसका ट्रेस हम निकाल लेंगे. ट्रेस क्या आएगा? 3 प्लस क्यू, राइट? और सम ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज हमें क्या दे रखा है? दैट इज 4. बस उसको हमने पुट किया तो क्यू आ गया. अभी हमें प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज क्या होता है? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज इक्वल्स टू क्या होता है हमारे पास में? डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, राइट? डिटरमिनेंट क्या दिया हुआ है हमारे पास में? डिटरमिनेंट आप निकाल लीजिए. प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज क्या दे रखा है? -1, राइट? तो डिटरमिनेंट अगर आप निकालेंगे मैट्रिक्स का तो क्या आएगा? डिटरमिनेंट अगर आप निकालेंगे मैट्रिक्स का तो आएगा 3 इंटू क्यू माइनस पी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू -1. अभी आप क्या करिए? क्यू की वैल्यू यहां से उठाकर यहां पर डाल दीजिए. You will get your answer. Kausheen Ansari, correct answer. Answer is 2. Yes, Kausheen, you are correct. The answer is correct. Fantastic, Kausheen. Tilak Raj is also telling the answer is 2. Yes, Tilak, you are correct this time. Ankush is telling determinant. Ankush, I am not getting what you want to say. सो यहां पर हम क्या करेंगे? Q की वैल्यू को यहां पर पुट कर देंगे. सो जैसे हम Q की वैल्यू को 1 पुट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 3 इंटू 1 माइनस पी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू -1. फ्रॉम हियर आप पी स्क्वायर की वैल्यू निकाल देंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 4. तो P की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी आपके पास में? +-2. और हमें क्या चाहिए था? मॉड ऑफ P चाहिए था. तो मॉड के अंदर कोई भी चीज आती है तो वो क्या हो जाता है? पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर इज 2. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज इक्वल टू डिटरमिनेंट. ओके, यस अंकुश, यू आर करेक्ट. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज इक्वल टू द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. फैंटास्टिक. ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू गाइज आर showing interest and you guys are also solving with me. So I think this question is clear. If this question is clear, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section if you have any doubt in this question, or can we move to the next question. यहां पर हमने कुछ भी नहीं किया. इस क्वेश्चन में हमने जस्ट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज यूज करी है. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज क्या होती है हमारे पास में? सम ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज इक्वल्स टू द ट्रेस, जो हमने यहां पर यूज किया है फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, जिसके थ्रू हमने क्यू को निकाला है. देन आफ्टर वी हैव यूज्ड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज इज इक्वल्स टू द डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, राइट. Kaushin Ansari is telling next question. Okay, Kaushin, we are moving towards our next question. If anyone is having any difficulty in this particular question, you can comment down, or else we will move to the next question. Okay? Okay. So I think this question is clear. Okay. Can we move to the next question? Yes. So this is the next question we have. GATE 2017. This question was asked in GATE 2017 mechanical engineering, 1 mark, right. This question says that the product of eigenvalues of the matrix P, एक 3x3 का मैट्रिक्स गिवन है, हमसे पूछा गया है the product of eigenvalues is equals to what, right. Solve this particular question and let me know the answer in the comment section. Very straightforward question. Answer is Ankush is telling C, that is 6. No, Ankush, the answer is not 6, I think. Let me just check the answer. Okay, just let me check. No, the answer is not 6. Option B. Yes, this Anand is telling option B. Option B is correct. Kaushin Ansari, option B, that is 2. 2 is correct. The answer 2 is the correct answer. Option C is not the correct answer. I think everyone is solving. When I get response from the student, I feel very happy. Tilak is also telling the option is B. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. The option B is the correct answer. In this question, what we have to do, we have to use the properties of eigenvalues again, because you have been asked the product of eigenvalues. Right now we have discussed the product of eigenvalues is equal to what? Determinant of matrix. अभी जस्ट हमने थोड़ी देर पहले भी देखा था कि प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज क्या होता है, डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स के इक्वल होता है, राइट. सो हमें क्या पूछा गया है, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज की वैल्यू क्या होगी, तो हम ये पूछा गया है तो हम ये निकाल देते हैं. डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ दिस 3x3 मैट्रिक्स विल बी व्हाट, 2 into 3 minus 6 minus 0 plus 1 into 4 to the 8 minus 0, right, करेक्ट. सो यहां पर कितना आ जाएगा, 6 में से 3 जाएगा तो बचेगा 3 और 3 दूनी -6 आ जाएगा क्या, राइट, प्लस 8 which is nothing but 8 minus 6 which is 2. So the product eigenvalues is equal to what, 2. That means the option B is the correct answer, right. So this question was pretty simple. I think everyone correct answer. Okay, can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? You can let me know in the comment box. If you have any doubt in this particular question, let me know in the comment box. I will elaborate once more. Okay, I think everyone has solved this question. If everyone is okay with this question, can we move to the next question? Tilak, yes sir, okay. Yes Tilak, we are heading towards the next question. So this question says that the number of linearly independent eigenvectors of this matrix A will be what? एक हमारे पास में 3x3 का मैट्रिक्स गिवन है एंड इट इज आस्क्ड नंबर ऑफ लीनियरली इंडिपेंडेंट आइगन वेक्टर्स क्या होंगे. तो इस क्वेश्चन को हम कैसे प्रोसीड करेंगे? एनीवन इन द कमेंट बॉक्स, इफ एनीवन हैज एनी हिंट that you want to discuss, you can drop text in the comment box. This question is very fantastic because this question was asked in GATE 2016 mechanical engineering for 2 marks, and this question is very fantastic with respect to the concept because the question is pretty tricky. You have to connect number of linearly independent eigenvectors with eigenvalues का concept से. Anyone? OWN eigenvalues. Okay, MD CAF is telling. Okay, CAF भाई साहब, अच्छा आप बता रहे हैं कि eigenvalues 2, 2, 3 होंगी. Yes, correct. Because eigenvalues तो 2, 2 and 3 होंगी because this is an upper triangular matrix, right? This is an upper triangular matrix, and you know that the eigenvalues of a upper triangular or lower triangular matrix is the diagonal elements itself. So the eigenvalues of this matrix is 2, 2, 3. Anand is telling n minus r formula. Yes, Anand, you are very correct. You can use that one also. Let me just give you a hint. You can use this part also. Number of linearly independent eigenvectors is greater than or equal to number of distinct eigenvalues. Distinct eigenvalues. So we can use this equality sign also, no issue, or we can just leave it. यहाँ equality sign भी होगी और greater than sign भी होगा, right? Karthik is telling ax equal to lambda x. Karthik, ax equal to lambda x से कैसे करेंगे? So you have to find the number of linearly independent eigenvectors. You can relate with number of distinct eigenvalues. So the eigenvalues of this matrix will be what? Eigenvalues of this matrix will be what? 2, 2, 3, right? Now what you have to find? Number of distinct eigenvalues. Distinct eigenvalues will be what? Distinct eigenvalues will be what? 2 and 3. That means these two are the distinct eigenvalues. So the answer will be 2, right? I hope this thing is clear. Just check this sign is, I think, greater than or less than. I'm not able to recall. MDCAF, if anyone can just make sure that this equality sign is there, I am sure, but this greater than sign is there or less than sign is there, I am just a bit confused. So you can just check, or anyone has any idea, you can just help me out. Is this sign correct? Greater than sign? Greater than or equal to sign is correct, or less than sign will be there. Equality with sign is there is correct, but greater than sign, I'm not sure. Okay, you can check later on, but this equality sign holds, I am 100% sure. So with the help of this equality sign, you can use this property and you can do this question. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, or else we can move to the next question. Can we move to the next question? I request each and every student to like the session, and if you are new to this channel, what you can do, you can subscribe to the channel. Okay. Okay. Tilak is telling next question. Okay. We are moving towards our next question. So this one is the next question. So this question was asked in GATE 2016 computer science paper for 1 mark. So in this question, it is asked, Muhammad Kaf is telling 1 upon 8. Yes, Kaf, you are absolutely correct. Tilak is also telling 1 upon 8. Fantastic. I am very happy that you guys are responding very fast. That means you guys are doing practice questions, right? So yes, 1 upon 8 is the correct answer. In decimal, you have to answer it, right? In decimal, up to 3 decimal place, you can write, because 1 upon 8 you can't enter in the exam. So you have to answer in the decimal part, right? So you can write the decimal part as an answer. So in this question, it is written 0.125. Yes, Kaf, correct answer. 0.125 is the correct answer. Suppose that eigenvalues of a matrix is equals to 1, 2 and 4. हमसे क्या पूछा गया है? The determinant of A inverse का transpose equal to what? अगर बाकी सारे लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो I can wait for 30 seconds or 1 minute. Otherwise, I will discuss the solution. If others are solving, we can wait for 30 seconds so that others can also respond, because सबको मौका मिलना चाहिए. Because I have seen that only few people are responding and others are only just looking to the screen. It should not happen. If you are attending a session and if you really a serious aspirant, then you should do the questions first by yourself. Then after you should see the solution or the discussion, right? So this question is pretty simple, because in this question we have been asked the determinant of A inverse ka transpose, right? This part you have to do. You can write this thing as A transpose ka determinant, right? You can write this one also, same thing. This is the property. Now you know that this can be written as, you know that this part, that A and A transpose have the same eigenvalues. A and A transpose have the same eigenvalues. A and A transpose has the same eigenvalues. I request each and everyone to like the session and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, right? So what I was telling, that A and A transpose has the same eigenvalues, right? So we can write like this also, A transpose, and then this can be written as like this. So can we write A determinant of A transpose के जगह पर हम A लिख दे रहे हैं, because A and A transpose has the same eigenvalues, right? And we have been asked to find the what? Suppose the eigenvalues of this, the determinant, and the determinant equal to what? Determinant equal to product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues is equals to the determinant. So determinant के जगह पर हम क्या लिख देंगे? Product of eigenvalues, which is equal to what? यहाँ पर तो ये नहीं होगा ना, right? क्या आ जाएगा? 1 upon 8, which is nothing but 0.125, right? So this is the correct answer. ठीक है? Clear? If everything is clear, can we move to the next question? I request who have joined recently, like the session, and if you are enjoying, you can subscribe to the channel as well. Okay, so can we move to the next question? If this question is clear, yes, next question. Tilak is telling next question. MD Caf is also telling yes. Okay, no, we will move forward to the next question. This question was asked in GATE 2018 Mechanical Engineering for 1 mark. Okay, just. I request each and everyone who have joined recently, they can like the session and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. अगर आप हमारे चैनल के ऊपर आ रहे हैं, that is GateJet, and if you want to prepare for complete engineering mathematics, we have launched our live course on our exclusive app, that is GateJet. You can download our app from Google Play Store. I have provided the link of that in the description box. And you can join the WhatsApp doubt solving group. I have provided the link of that also in the description box. Okay. Raja is telling, Anand is also telling 0.25. Correct answer. Yes, Anand, you are correct. 0.25. Raja is also telling 0.25. Correct answer. Tilak 0.25. Yes, Tilak, you are correct. Absolutely. 0.25 is the correct answer. So let me discuss this question for you guys. This question is telling if A is this matrix, then determinant of A inverse will be what? This question is similar or same kind of, you can say, pattern of the last one, because लास्ट क्वेश्चन में भी कुछ ऐसा ही कंसेप्ट था. तो डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए इनवर्स को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए उसका इनवर्स. एंड यू नो दैट दिस मैट्रिक्स इज व्हाट? अपर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. एंड इफ यू हैव एमडी कैफ इज टेलिंग 4, नो, आंसर इज नॉट 4 कैफ. आंसर इज नॉट 4. इट शुड बी 1/4, दैट इज 0.25. Check. So this matrix is upper triangular matrix, and you know the eigenvalues of a upper triangular matrix, upper determinant value of A. Okay, you are telling the determinant value. Okay, correct. Right. The eigenvalues of a upper triangular matrix is what? Is equal to the principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. So principal diagonal elements क्या है? 1, 4, 1. That means these are the eigenvalues, and we know that the determinant equal to product of eigenvalues. So product of eigenvalues is equals to what? Determinant. So 1 into 4 into 1, that is 4. So determinant की वैल्यू आ गई 4, उसका इनवर्स कर देंगे, क्या आ जाएगा? 1/4. 1/4 is nothing but 0.25. राइट? करेक्ट. इसको थोड़ा साफ से लिख देता हूं, नहीं तो बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. थोड़ा सा साफ करके लिख देता हूं. राइट? 4 raised to the power -1, which is nothing but 1/4, which is 0.25. Right? So this is the correct answer, that is 0.25. Okay, right? Product of diagonal elements. Yes, Kaf, you are correct. Product of diagonal elements is equal to the determinant of a upper triangular or lower triangular matrix. Okay. Is this question correct? If everything is correct for this question, if you have understood this question correctly, then can we move to the next question? If this question is fine, I request each and every student who have joined recently, they can like the session and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. And you can in the WhatsApp doubt solving group. The link of that is provided in the description box. WhatsApp डाउट सॉल्विंग का ग्रुप जो है उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दिया है, तो आप चाहे तो डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, आप चाहे तो ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप का डाउट सॉल्विंग का ग्रुप, डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में उसका लिंक प्रोवाइडेड है, राइट. कैन वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? सो हियर वी हैव द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So this question says that there is a matrix P and there is a matrix Q, and then we have to find Q transpose and P transpose, and then we have to multiply those matrices, right? So you can attempt this question, and this question was asked in Civil Engineering GATE 2021 for 2 marks. Who have joined recently, I request each and everyone, if you have joined recently, you can like the session and you can subscribe to the channel, so that when we are coming live you will get the notification of that, and you can hit the bell icon also, so that whenever I will come live you will get the notification of that. Okay. Yes, Anand is telling option is C. Yes, Anand, you are correct, absolutely correct. Raja is also telling the answer is C. Yes, Raja, you are also correct. The option is C, correct answer. Anyone? Kaushin? Yes, you are correct, Kaushin. The answer is C. So in this question, the thing that we have to use is the multiplication of, or you can say the algebra of matrices, right? So first let me tell you the transpose means what. Transpose means changing the rows into columns, right? So if you have a matrix P, so if you transpose that, so first let me write the Q transpose. So Q transpose means what? If you have this matrix Q, so interchange the row into column, so you will get 0 1 and then 1 0. We have changed the rows into the column, right? Same thing we have to do for P also. So P transpose, change the row into column, first row will become the first column, right? And then second row will become the second column, that is 3 4, correct? Now what you have to do, you have to multiply these. Tilak is also telling the answer is C. Yes, Tilak, the option C is the correct answer. Now if you multiply these two, Q transpose into P transpose, what you have to do, you have to multiply using row into column, because मैट्रिक्स का जब हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, रोज इंटू कॉलम करते हैं, राइट? सो आपको जस्ट रो इंटू कॉलम करना है. सो फर्स्ट रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम, देन फर्स्ट रो इंटू सेकेंड कॉलम. यही तो करते हैं हम लोग मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, राइट? सो व्हेन वी विल डू फर्स्ट रो इंटू फर्स्ट कॉलम, क्या आएगा हमारे पास में, 0 इंटू 1 प्लस 2 इंटू 1, दैट इज 2, राइट? नाउ if you do first row into second column, what you will get, you will get 0 into 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 4. Now you have to do second row into first column, कितना आएगा, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0, तो 1 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. Again this you have to do second row into second column, कितना आ जाएगा, 1 into 3 plus 4 into 0, that is 3. That is, this will be Q transpose P transpose. That means option C will be the correct answer, right? Any doubt in this question? If you have any doubt in this particular question, you can let me know in the comment box. So I hope everyone has solved this question. Caution is telling clear, sir. Okay. So let me write one question for you guys. Okay. So the question is that if the eigenvalues of a 3 cross 3 matrix are 1, -1 and 2, then the eigenvalue then the eigenvalues of matrix A cube will be what? Options are 1 0 1 1 0 minus 1. Option B, एक second. Caution is telling answer is 8. No, Caution, you are not correct. I am asking then the eigenvalues of matrix A cube will be what? So this is the thing. Then you have to write this thing. Then -1 0 4. Now you have to write the correct answer. So Raja is telling yes. Tilak is also telling 1 -1 and 8. Yes, correct. 1 -1 8. Muhammad Kaf is also telling 1 -1 and 8. Correct answer. Tilak is also telling option B. Correct answer. That means you guys are thorough with the concept. I'm very happy that you guys have watched my lectures and you have got the clear concept idea about the eigenvalues, because you guys are very fantastic in this concept of eigenvalues. I'm very happy that you guys have responded very well. Yes, Ritu Kumari, 1 -1 and 8 is the correct answer. Okay. So can we, I think, okay. So this is the announcement that we have launched our app on our Google Play Store. You can download our app from the Google Play Store. This is our app. And what you can do, you can enroll for this course, that is complete engineering mathematics course, at 749 only. We are running a live course on our exclusive app, that is GateJet. What are the branches that can enroll? Aerospace, agriculture, biomedical, biotechnology, civil, chemical, electronics, electrical, instrumentation, mechanical, production, material, mining, petroleum, textile and fiber science. These branches students can enroll for our complete engineering mathematics course, right? And you can download our app from Google Play Store. Okay, yes, Ritu Kumari is telling, if lambda is an eigenvalue of matrix A, then lambda cube will be the eigenvalue of matrix A cube, right? Very less questions, sir. Increase the number of questions. Tilak is telling. Okay. I think 6-7 questions we have discussed. I thought I had some plans that I will take only 1 hour class. So that's why I took only 6-7 questions. But next time, I think tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I will come with more number of questions, like 10-15 questions. Today the time was short, so that's why I took only 6-7 questions. Okay. So can we go from the first question? If anyone has joined recently, they can go through these questions. This was the first question that we discussed. Who has joined recently, they can go through these questions. This was the first question. The students who have joined recently, they can go through these questions. Sir, calculus questions, please, next time. Okay. Okay, no issue, Raja. We We will also come with this calculus marathon. No issue. Whenever I will take this session, I will try for this calculus part also. Shravan is telling, I subscribed. Super, sir. Thank you, Shravan. Excellent work, sir. Thank you so much, Shravan. It means a lot. Tilak is telling, which app you use, sir, for notes? This app is Cola Note for, I'm using iPad 9 generation. So in which there is a free app that is Cola Note. COLLANOTE, Cola Note. So this was the first question that we discussed in the session right now. And this was the second question that we discussed. Hashmi is telling, sir, some questions on vector space. Okay, no issue. We will take one session on vector space as well. Raja Patnaik is telling, thank you, sir, guidance for, okay. Thank you so much, Raja. Tilak is telling, sir, okay, sir, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, Tilak. We will take another session on, I think, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I will come live for this calculus part, because someone regarding the calculus PYQs or calculus concepts. So I will take one session on calculus marathon. Shravan is telling, I am solving problems from your videos only. I completed all my linear algebra PYQ, sir. Okay, thank you so much, Shravan. It means a lot to me. Whoever have joined recently, I request each and everyone to like to the session and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel. Thank you so much. Hashmi is telling, thank you so much. Thank you, Hashmi. This was the second question that we discussed, where the product of eigenvalues was asked. So this question was based on the properties of eigenvalues. Tilak is telling, I have completed your every lecture on YouTube. See, Tilak, thank you so much for your compliment. I can assure you that if you watch my complete YouTube lectures now, then also you will be able to solve 90% of the questions in GATE. Although I am running a very basic live course on our exclusive app, but yes, if you are having no base, then you can join our complete engineering mathematics course that we are running on our live class on our app. Okay, Tilak is selling 99%. Okay, thank you so much, Tilak. Thanks for the compliment. So this was the third question, and again then we discussed about this part where we discussed about number of linearly independent eigenvectors. So this was also a very good question. Then after we discussed this part, this question, that was GATE 2016 computer science question, which was asked for 1 mark. Where this part was asked, that is A inverse whole transpose and then determinant of that part. This question was tricky for this part, but if you have a basic idea of the properties of inverse and transpose, these things we have discussed in our complete engineering mathematics course that we are running on our exclusive app, that is GateJet. You can download our app. I have provided the link of our app in the description box. Tilak, sir, take 3 hours marathon from combined part. See, Tilak, the thing is that I am doing job, so it's very difficult to take 3 hours class for me. I can take only 1 hour or 2 hour maximum, but I'm also doing a job, so that's why it's very difficult for me to take out the free time. I hope you can understand. So after that, we discussed about this question, which was asked in GATE 2018. But definitely, Tilak, I will try my best to take a long marathon session like 2 hours or 2.5 hours or 3 hours. I will try my best. Okay, Tilak, thank you so much. So after that question, we discussed this part where we discussed about the transpose of matrix Q transpose into P transpose. This was a pretty simple question which was asked for 2 mark in civil engineering question paper. So you can see that 2 marker question, only this part, only 2 step. So linear algebra is one of the easiest topic of whole engineering mathematics. When will the next session live? Okay, Tilak, I will try my best for tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. I will take one session on calculus part, either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Then after we discussed this question, which was pretty simple, when lambda is an eigenvalue of A, then lambda cube will be the eigenvalue of A cube. That means what power we are raising to the matrix, the same power we have to raise to the eigenvalues, right? And then I discussed about our exclusive app, that is GateJet. You can download our app GateJet from Google Play Store, or I have provided the link of our app in the description box also. You can download our app Google Play Store from Google Play Store, and you can enroll for this complete engineering mathematics course for these branches like aerospace, agriculture, biotechnology, biomedical, civil, chemical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, mechanical, production, then metallurgy, mining, petroleum, and textile and fiber science. These students can enroll for this complete engineering mathematics course that we are running live on our exclusive app, that is GateJet. Okay, so if you are interested, you can download our app and you can join the complete engineering mathematics course. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. I think we are running out of time, so we will come live either tomorrow or the day of tomorrow for with a new session. Kaushin is telling, thank you so much sir. Thank you Kaushin for joining. One problem sir. Tilak, हाँ क्या हुआ? One problem. Tilak, can you elaborate what you want to tell? Yes Tilak, क्या problem है? Do you want to ask something? In App Store, your app is not available. No, it should not happen. You can send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp number 7488692651. Just send me the screenshot of that part on this WhatsApp number. Okay, iOS. No, right now we are live on Android. You have to download the Android app, or you can enroll through this. You can WhatsApp me on this number. I will provide you the link through which you can download our app. Okay, website, yes, website is there. So what I will do, I will share the link of that website. You can just text me on this number. I will provide you each and everything that you need. You can note down my number and you can text me on WhatsApp. I will provide you each and everything. Don't worry. You can note down my number and you can text me on WhatsApp. I will provide you each and every detail of our complete course and our app as well. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. So we are closing right now. We are running out of time. So I will do one session on calculus part either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Okay. So thank you so much. Now we are closing. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.